Whether you're a professional woodworker or a general homemaker, a portable table saw is a tool that will make your cutting tasks accurate and effortless. These table saws are a great option to get the labor-free ripping and cross-cutting experience. And if you're seeking the best one to buy, then you've clicked on the right video, because today we're going to show you the 5 best portable table saws that are reliable and provide excellent cutting with a high degree of precision. So let's get started.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Do all kinds of rough and smooth cutting with the SKIL TS630700, an easily foldable table saw that's ideal for your do-it-yourself or professional woodwork projects. It's equipped with a 15-amp motor that quickly rips through hardwoods while generating up to 4,600 RPM of speed. With a 10-inch 24-tooth circular saw blades, this table saw provides a maximum cutting depth of 3.5 inches at a 90-degree angle and 2.5 inches when tilted for a 45-degree bevel cut. Plus, the saw has a standout ripping capacity of up to 25.5 inches, and its 4x4 cutting capacity allows for swift 90-degree cutting. Moreover, it only weighs 51 pounds and features a folding leg system, meaning you can get a convenient storage facility and carry it easily anywhere the job demands. Overall, if you want a foldable, well-designed, portable table saw for your tough woodcutting projects, then the SKIL TS630700 will be the ultimate solution for you. Get your hands on the Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2, the most lightweight table saw that provides better capacity and control than the competitive models. Featuring a 5.5-amp motor, this table saw delivers 3,000 RPM of no-load speed with a stroke length of up to 3/4 inches. Plus, it includes 5 hardened blades that allow you to cut wood, ceramic tile, plastic, aluminum, and even metal. There's also an adjustable gauge with which you can execute miter cuts up to a 60-degree angle to shape the wooden pieces you need. Furthermore, you can effortlessly change the blades without an Allen wrench or a hex key because it features a tool-less blade changing mechanism. At only 15 pounds, this lightweight tool comes in a small design that lets you move it easily around your job site. In a nutshell, if you require a low-weight tool that can be carried easily and has superior cutting ability, you should buy the Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 without hesitation. Next up is the Milwaukee 2736-21HD, a heavy-duty table saw that generates substantial power and is designed especially for the professional carpenter, remodeler, and general contractor. This table saw comes with a 15-amp motor like a corded saw. It has a 24.5-inch ripping capacity. Equipped with a power-state brushless motor, this 8.25-inch table saw provides up to 6,300 RPM of speed for corded cutting performance. Furthermore, the M18 Red Lithium HD12 battery offers unmatched runtime for all kinds of applications and ensures up to 600 linear feet of cutting per charge. Weighing in at only 41.6 pounds, this tool comes with onboard storage for the included accessories, a tool-free guard, and riving knife changes. To sum up, the Milwaukee 2736-21HD is a beast of its kind that has the portability and power to rip your wood with speed and precision. Are you seeking an easy portable saw to work regularly? If so, then look no further because we have the Dewalt DWE 7485. It's a compact table saw with amazing maneuverability to complete most jobs. The table saw is equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers 5,800 RPM of speed to enable quick, smooth, and powerful ply cutting. Plus, this 8¼ inch table saw has up to 24½ inches of ripping capacity, so you can easily rip your 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets. In addition, it offers a 2½ inch cutting depth at 90 degrees and 1/4 inch cutting depth at 45 degrees. It has a powerful loss reset feature to prevent accidental starts and a metal roll cage to ensure long-term durability. Weighing only 46 pounds, this tool features onboard storage to conveniently store the guard, the fence, wrenches, and the miter gauge. All things considered, it's a great table saw for its compact size and easy transporting. It's sure to help you complete your cutting jobs with very little effort. Now get your hands on the BOSCH 4100 XC10, a portable table saw that's perfect for professional woodworkers. Coming with a hardened 10-inch blade, this table saw has a standout ripping capacity of up to 30 inches, which is ideal for cutting any wooden sheets up to 4 feet wide. Plus, this 15-amp portable table saw features a powerful 4-horsepower motor that delivers up to 3,650 RPM of speed so that you can cut through any wood with precision. Weighing at 109 pounds, it features the GTA47W gravity rise stand that has 8-inch rubber composite tires to move it with ease, while its single-action design makes it quick and simple to set up. Moreover, this table saw has a smart guard system that includes a riving knife and anti-kickback pawl to provide protection. Plus, the restart protection mechanism helps you to avoid accidental startup. So if you're up to purchasing a table saw that's reliable, durable, and can cut wood precisely, then the BOSCH 4100 XC10 is going to be worth checking out. So that was our list for the 5 best portable table saws just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more helpful videos like this on your feed.